Heavy-duty scrap plastic granulator crusher machine. SPC floor. Heavy-duty scrap plastic granulator crusher machine is suited for central reclamation of solid materials, built fiber, thick sheet, cast blocks, engineering plastics, and tire redan. At the core of our plastic granulator machine is an open rotor mounted, with heavy-duty knives in either a double scissor cut or V-shaped rig based on your requirements. The material is continuously cut until they are small enough to pass through a screen filter. Generally speaking, our filter screens are between 10mm to 100mm. They can be customized according to your requirements.